What up, tube? Today is Friday, July something or another. Shit, I think it's like July 29th. I lost track of days already. So today is Friday, guys. Headed to the shop right now. Going ahead and nice and early. You guys already know my story. Short-handed every single day of my life. So today we're only rolling with three barbers. Me, Fido, and Big Tone. That's what I'm down to, guys. Just three barbers. I got a 7-chair barbershop, and I'm down to 3 barbers right now. Jado's on leave for maternity leave, so she can't really even help out at all either. Yesterday I had the idea, actually Tone gave me the idea, but you know, call one of the old barbers that used to work for me that left us a while back, you know, and he's a really good barber. So I called him up, and he's gonna come work for us now. So he's gonna start tomorrow. You know, he's a good barber, and it's not somebody that I have to worry about whether they could cut hair or whether they're not doing a good job or they're doing a good job. I know he's a very good barber. So we're back to 4, guys. Not today. Today we're gonna go with 3, but at least we're back to 4 for tomorrow and 3 for Sunday. So that's a good thing, dude. That's a really good thing, because you know, when you don't have enough barbers, you know, it slows down. And that slows down, it speeds up. Well, we have to speed up because it gets so busy in there, you know. And even though the youngster that left, you know, he did take most of his customers with him, you know, it comes down to the point that you know, they need to do the job. We need to do the job right. So we need to cover all those customers that are still going to be coming in anyway. So now, you know, the only thing that really worries me right now is back to school, because back to school's coming up within the next 3 weeks. So I need to get at least 2 more barbers for those back to school days, because those back to school days are crazy, guys. You know, you got to remember, my shop is walking distance from Azusa Pacific University and Citrus College. Azusa Pacific University and Citrus College each have 10,000 students. 10,000, that's 20,000 students that are within walking distance of our shop. And we pretty much have the APU, which is the Azusa Pacific student, on lockdown. You know, they a lot of them come to our shop. We have a really good name. We've been around for years. So when they come in, a lot of those students now, especially the upperclassmen, they don't even get haircuts back home. They'll wait to get haircuts here. So when they come back, I'm going to be expecting to be extremely busy. So my goal right now is, in the next 2 to 3 weeks, is to get at least 2 more barbers. I need to get at least 2 more to come in here and start helping out, because those days are, you know, like, I mean, I can knock out a lot of haircuts, guys, but I can't do it all. I can't, you know, I could do 25 a day, you know what I mean, max, probably. And that's, you know, 25 a day is a hard-ass day, you know. But, I mean, I seriously, as a barbershop owner, don't want to be working that hard, you know. Like, when you're a barbershop owner, you don't want to be busting out 25 haircuts, you know. You want to take it more easy, you know. Take your time and be able to enjoy cutting hair. When you're cutting 25 haircuts a day, it's not really enjoyable, guys. It's more like a speed contest, and you got to be knocking them out and setting up the next haircut and getting ready, you know. So it gets a little stressful. But, you know, like I said it before, guys, this is not the first time this has happened to me. It's happened to me already several times. So, you know, as the years goes on and situations arise in your shop, you'll learn to adapt to it, and you'll learn to accept things and not take things personal. You know, it's nothing personal about this business. You know, we're here to provide a service, and we need to be here and be here on time and do it the right way. So that's our job, and that's what we need to be doing. So that's why I'm here nice and early. It's 8:01 right now. We don't open till 9 a.m. Fido's an early bird. He's already here. He's already working. So, you know, it's kind of employees you want, guys. You want people that are here early and they're hungry and they want to be making money. And that's the kind of person I'm looking for. So if you guys know anybody that wants a job or looking for a job, or wants to be a barber and wants to go to apprentice, I'll take an apprentice right now. If you got money for an apprenticeship, then you come talk to me, man. because I'm hiring right now. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go inside, start this day. You guys have a blessed day. Grind on, guys. Stay positive, and let's get to work, man. There's haircuts that need to be cut. So right now I was checking my my YouTube account in 297, guys. We're getting up there. Three more subscribers and we're at 300. It looks like it's gonna happen in the next, probably by tonight, 300 subscribers. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna drop the video for the GTX cordless trimmer. I'm gonna drop that. I think I'm gonna give it away on my vlog, not tomorrow's vlog, but Sunday's vlog. Okay, so Sunday, keep an eye out. I'm gonna bust out that video. You need to comment and you need to be a subscriber in order to win that free GTX skeletorized modified blade. It's the whole deal, guys. It's what I use at my shop. You guys need to have this machine if you guys don't have it. It's a great machine, brand new. I modified it and I made a video for one of my past videos. It was how to modify a scalatorized trimmer. If you guys don't know how to do that, guys, that video right there will show you how to do it. It's easy, guys. It only takes a few minutes. And I don't know if you guys aren't using a scalatorized trimmer. You guys should try it, guys. Try it, because you know what? I only go with scalatorized trimmers now. I mean, just the openness of that blade and being able to move it around and go around corners and stuff like that without having that front cover on. Oh man, guys, it works for me. It works really good. I don't know, you know, but you know, I'm kind of biased on trimmers. I really don't use anything other than a GTX or just a regular T trimmer from Andis. I'm not really into the light, you know, the skinny ones, the Andis Live, whatever it's called. I'm not into I have a detailer. I don't like it. I have the only other trimmer that I really use kind of, and I don't use it all the time, but I do use it, is a peanut. And that's only because I use that for little kids, you know, and little kids, you know, the little kids are scared of the trimmers. So you gotta use what you can and get it done quick. Today I got this haircut from a little young man. His father called up and he was really concerned that the child was gonna cry and he was gonna be unstable because other places they actually kicked him out because he wouldn't sit for the haircut, you know, and they told him that, you know, they couldn't get a haircut and he had to leave. So me myself, I think that's ridiculous. If you're a barber, you got to be able to cut children, you know, straight up, simple as that. You know, you got to be able to cut children. If you can't cut a children, then how are you going to cut him when he's an adult? You know what I mean? So I told the gentleman, bring him in, don't worry, I'm the baby guru, I'll do it, I'll get it done. You know what I mean? Just bring him in and we got it done. Haircut came out nice. The parent loved it, said definitely we'll be back. And you know what, guys? It's all because you're showing initiative, and you can't be backing down from haircuts. Any haircut that comes in, you just got to do it. You know, there's no excuse for backing down haircuts. Even if you're not good at that haircut, you don't back down and do it. Because you know what? Guess what? If you're not good at that haircut, how are you gonna get at it? How good are you gonna get at it? Or how are you gonna get good at it if you don't try and you don't practice it? You know what I'm saying? Like flat tops. If you're not good at flat tops, guess what? Start doing flat tops, and you're gonna get good at them. As simple as that. That's the way it works. If you back down from a flat top, you'll never learn how to do a flat top. Flat tops aren't that hard. You know, it's not rocket science. It's having a steady hand. That's it. But I'm here at the bank right now. I'm gonna head in, get my change, go get some lonche, head back to the shop. Right now it's already late. It's already 2 p.m. So we only got 3.5 hours left at the shop. You know, it's been extremely busy, but not as busy as I thought it was gonna be. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Just like I always say, it is what it is. We'll get through this day. Tomorrow will be another day, more customers, and we'll get through this week, guys. All right, guys, grind on, guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. That's it for today, guys. Friday went kind of smooth, actually, for only having 3 barbers. Me, Tone, and Fido, we held it down. So it came out, it worked out good. It's not even that late. It's actually still pretty early. It's barely 7 o'clock. Pretty crazy day though. Pretty crazy day. It's too hard for 3 people. Good thing is tomorrow I got some help coming. Tomorrow we got a new, not a new barber, it's just old barber, not an old barber, but a barber that's worked here before. Lewis, we're walking him back. So hopefully tomorrow we roll with 4 barbers. Hopefully Fido comes in tomorrow, but tomorrow is Fido's birthday. So if he doesn't show up, I understand. You know what? It is his birthday, and it's not his fault that I'm short-handed. You know what I mean? It is what it is. But in case he doesn't come in and he sees his day after, happy birthday, bro. Thank you for everything you do, bro. Thank you, for reals. Happy birthday. Hey, guys, and that's it for today, guys. Hey, guys, we're almost at 300. 3 more. I think there's, wow, last time I looked, it was 3 more subscribers, but right now I looked at it as 6 more subscribers, so 3 of them must have dropped off. But that's okay. We'll get to those 300. When we get to those 300, I think Sunday, the vlog that I do Sunday is gonna be dedicated to that giveaway. So that's the one where everybody's gonna have to make sure you're subscribed and make sure that you're gonna have to leave a comment that day. All right, guys. 6 more subscribers to get that GTX scalatorized modified blade machine that you should have already. If you don't have one, look at my video, go back and look for that video, and it shows you how to do it. All right, guys, with that being said, I'll see you guys mañana.